Okay, question 14. Now this should be 3 easy marks. It's just a grade A question because it's a quadratic equation. Give your answer to decimal places the clue that you should be using the quadratic formula to solve this question. But it's just replacing numbers for letters. So the quadratic form which is given in the front of the question paper is based on a general equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now the one we've got is 2x squared minus 5x minus 5 equals 0. So for our equation, a equals 2, b equals minus 5, c equals minus 5. So the formula we're given is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now with modern calculators we can pretty much type these numbers straight into here and it'll look exactly the same as this. The one thing you should do when you're doing that though is to make sure you put a bracket around whatever value you're using for b before you square it. Otherwise it won't square the negative part if it's minus 5. And the other thing that causes a little problem is the minus b. When b is a negative number, you got minus 5. And minus 5 is just 5. So that should be plus 5 or just 5 on its own. So we can ignore that bit there. Now we've got two possibilities. We've got the one will be plus the square root of minus 5 squared minus 4 times a times c, which is minus 5. That's great, let's go with that. And you can divide that all by 2 times 2, which is 4. Now when you type it into your calculator you should press the fraction button first, so you end up doing this first, and then you can fill everything in the top in here and fill everything on the bottom in here, and it will give you the answer with the plus. It will give you 3.265564444, something like that. And let me just repeat it again, but instead of a plus here we put a minus sign there and we end up with minus 0.76555644, and we need to give it 2 decimal places, so we get 3.27, because this 5 makes this round up to a 7 because it's over halfway, and for this one this 5 makes this round up to a 7, so we get minus 0.77, so 2 decimal places. Okay, 3 marks.